Well, after a long trip yesterday, I woke up to a beautiful sunrise here at Torrey Pines. Was able to do a little flight planning out by the pool and grab a little breakfast. And then it was time to head out for our meeting. And then after our meeting, we were headed back to the airport. Due to time constraints, I was not able to get the cameras set up for the departure, but I did manage to grab some footage along the way. Don't worry, because you didn't miss too much. It was pretty much cloudy the whole flight back. Except for the approach into Colorado Springs, where I just got absolutely nailed with a bunch of bugs. Colorado Springs, we stopped for fuel, grabbed some catering, and then we were back on our way. Well, so much for a clean plane. Look at all that mess. Well, here's the thing about aviation. There's always somebody with something bigger, faster, and better. This is the point right here. Beautiful airplane. So for the second leg back to Homedrome, Indianapolis, I had a heck of a time getting the cameras to focus on anything other than the bugs on the front of the windshield, but I did manage to film the landing. I don't think so. I did kind of get it. Not very good, but...
Number 390 Golf Mike, cross 85 miles west of Brickyard at maintain fall 250.
85 west Brickyard, flight level 250, Zero Golf Mike.
Frontier 606, descend to maintain fall 330, need 1,000 feet per minute, that descent please.
No problem, 330, 1,000 feet or better a minute, Frontier flight 606.
Indianapolis Executive Airport, automated weather observation 2313, Zulu, weather, wind 200 at 9er, visibility 10.
Number 390 Golf Mike, contact Indy 132.2.
32.2, Golf Mike, see ya.
Scatter southwest 68 call.
Indy Premier 390 Golf Mike 28.2 down to flight level 250.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, any center most. Premier 390 Golf Mike, cross 3030 miles west of Brickyard at maintain 2000. Indianapolis altimeter 3021.
Okay, 30 west of Brickyard at 12,000, that's 3021 is the altimeter. Okay, that was a mouthful. Buzz. So that TOD circle, when the airplane hits that, that's the top of the descent. That'll be a 3-degree glide angle, so we cross 30 west of this Brickyard VOR at 12,000 feet.
It'll take us right down there.
Take us right down there. All I've got to do is make sure I put the altitude selector to 12,000 feet and hit vertical navigation. We have.
Got it. Rest, huh?
Yeah, then you can just, you know, so easy a monkey can fly it. We are definitely not in California anymore.
No, we're not.
Or Colorado.
Right.
Hey, this might be able to pass as eastern Colorado.
Yep.
5 Charlie Foxtrot, contact Sanford approach 132.07. Have a good night. 327, good night, sir. Charlie Fox. Premier 390 Golf Mike, contact Indianapolis approach 121.1.
21-1 is our Golf Mike, we'll see you.
Okay, Frontier flight.
Southwest 178, Louisiana 24 to San Vita, get 3.
Southwest 178, Indy approach, expect the visual approach, runway 23 right.
Expect the visual 23 right, Southwest 178.
Indy Premier 390 Golf Mike 14.2 down to 12,000 with the weather and executives looking for the visual.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, Indy approach, Indy altimeter 3021, turn left direct executive, descend to maintain 11,000.
Left turn direct exec down to 11,000, Zero Golf Mike. I was texting Owen and he wants to know all about the air text.
Oh, yeah. You'd get some mileage out of it.
Yeah, oh, definitely. I think you would, yeah.
You have a sat phone or anything like that?
He's got a sat phone, yeah.
Yep.
Premier Zero Golf Mike, contact approach 124.7.
2475, Zero Golf Mike, we'll see you.
2495.
Yeah, I thought that was a weird frequency. 2495, Zero Golf Mike, we'll see you. Indy Premier 390 Golf Mike at 11,000.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, Indy approach, Indy altimeter 3021, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 3,000.
Okay, PD down to 3,000, Zero Golf Mike. Well, so I think there's another guy that's coming into executive. Recognize the tail number. Looks like he's coming in from the north. So I'm going to come right
on here, map.
Yeah, I'm going to come right over the top of the field. Safer way to enter the pattern than my usual.
Citation 1 Charlie Juliet,
Straight in.
Center 132.
Hair on fire.
32.
Y'all watch out, I'm coming.
Ready to get home.
Get out of my way, I'm in a jet. You're not.
Golf Mike, traffic 2 o'clock in 4 miles northeastbound altitude indicates 3,400.
Roger that, Zero Golf Mike.
Any departure, citation 803 Juliet Sierra, I'm through 2000.
Citation 803 Juliet Sierra, any departure radar contact.
Indy Premier's 390 Golf Mike, field in sight, like to cancel, switch on over.
Runway 390 Golf Mike, that traffic no factor, no additional traffic observed in the area. IFR cancellation received, squawk 1200, and happy night.
We'll see you, Zero Golf Mike. Executive Traffic Premier 390 Golf Mike 15 to the west, planning a crosswind midfield runway 18.
B1D.
Oh yeah.
Which one way are you going to go in?
So I'm going to come across the center of the field,
Yeah.
I'm going to turn left to go north, and then I'm going to land to the south, so runway 18.
Is that due to the wind, or is...
Yes. Yeah, the wind is out of the south.
2,500.
Executive Traffic Premier 390 Golf Mike, crosswind midfield runway 18. Executive Traffic Premier 0 Golf Mike, left down 118.
$1,000.
Executive Traffic Premier 390 Golf Mike, left base 18. Executive Traffic Premier 390 Golf Mike, final 18. Not bad.
Not bad at all. Well, that's not a bad 27 and a half hours.
Yeah.
Of work.
Mike is cleared, executive. Well, 899 nautical miles, 2 hours and 1 minute, 2,140 pounds of fuel. Well, not a bad, like you say, not a bad 28 hours or so. Not at all. Got to see the sunset over the Pacific. Had a great dinner last night. Great meeting this morning. To hang out with my couple other Premier owner friends of mine. You got to get some work done. Flew back. It is 7:35 right now. Head to the beach tomorrow. And it would have taken us probably 2 days, at least one overnight commercial. Yeah. Okay, so that AirTex, could you unplug the that AirTex from the USB there, just so it turns the unit off? See that remote control tug they have? It's kind of cool. Yeah, and I don't know how big an airplanes it moves around. That's Ben. He's the one I invited to come along with us yesterday. He couldn't. He's flown me in Cirrus a couple times.
Hey P1D fans, thanks for riding along today. And remember, you can follow me on Instagram at Premier One Driver. And if you want to get a hat or a shirt or some other cool merchandise, head on over to my website, premieronedriver.com, and do some shopping. Appreciate y'all riding along, and we'll see you on the next flight.